Welcome to another S&P 500 analysis. Today is November 21st, 2022. In this daily recap, we're going to quickly take a look at some of the internals in the S&P 500 and also its ETF and the E-mini S&P 500 future contract, the ES. So stay tuned. Here, looking at this chart here, this intraday chart, you can see that the S&P 500 closed down 0.39%, a little bit more than 15 points. And you can see that the up-down volume was a little bit on the downside in the morning. It was 3-1, a little bit over 3-1 on the downside, but finished the day just a little bit 1.6 to 1 in favor of the down volume. And the VIX is still sitting near the 20 level, sitting right now at 22.42, and also the put call ratio is down near the 0.75. Finished the day at 0.76. Now the advanced decline, the daily advanced decline, only ended the day with 246 more declining issues than advancing issue. Early in the morning, when it first opened, it was a little bit over 800 more decliners than advancers. And here, looking at this chart, this intraday chart, you can see that the down volume been dominating the up volume throughout the entire session in the New York Stock Exchange and also in the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ up-down volume ratio was a little bit over 2.5 to 1 in favor of the down volume, and the Russell 2000 is a little bit over 2 to 1 in favor of the down volume. As I said earlier, the New York Stock Exchange is 1.6 to 1 in favor of the down volume. You can see that the advanced decline never got above positive. It got as close as under maybe just a little bit under 100. So it finished the day at a little bit under 200. And also the NASDAQ market is pretty negative. It finished off with a little bit more than 1,000 more declining issues than advancing issue. Now the strange thing here is the cumulative tick for the New York Stock Exchange. You see in the morning it was negative, and then in the afternoon it was positive. So there seems to be a little bit of a buying into the close here today. But the NASDAQ has been negative throughout the entire session. And looking at this market profile chart for the ES, the E-mini S&P 500, you can see it took out this poor low here today, and it also tagged the point of control from Friday. Today, the distribution is relatively balanced. There is no poor high and no poor low, so they are all clean. First of all, it come down and booked this one-time framing up. Today, it did a one-time framing down. So for tomorrow, if the price continue to come down, look for the this poor low to get resolved and possibly come down and tag this poor high on the downside. Now, if it's move up to the upside, then look for this poor high and possibly this point of control to get tagged tomorrow. Be surprised if we're going to see this poor high get tagged tomorrow. But hey, you never know. Hey, anything could happen. Now let's take a look at the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500. You see that it kind of finished off the day with a little bit of a doji type of a candle here. For tomorrow, we're still monitoring to see will it come down to this zone and get down, work its way down to this lower range, or would it be able to pop up above this 398 and move up toward this 400 and then watch it to come up to this upper range. If you'd like to see what I'm watching for tomorrow on the SPY, go to my Substack page at smtraderCA.substack.com and check out this post. Be sure to smash the thumbs up to help me promote this video. Thank you for watching and stay safe.